Alright, so we get a lot of ads through Amazon and a lot of other features. I've been looking to upgrade some of my indoor cameras, and at this point in time I kind of looked at this on Amazon. It's listing for around $20, but as soon as I showed interest in it, all of a sudden I was getting offers at $9.99. It looked like a decent little camera. It showed that it would do HD 1080. Came very quickly. So I decided to do a quick review on it and see what it's like. Well, let's open the box. It comes fully sealed. And when you open the box up, you will find, if I can open the box, your little camera. Right there. So there's the camera. A full instruction manual, a warranty card, and in the secondary little box you will get a long power cord, a 5-volt USB connected power supply, and interestingly enough they even give you the screws and mounting tools to put it up, which is kind of decent actually. So looking at the camera, it has some nice features. It's nice and elegant. It is adjustable, so you can actually adjust it and mount it pretty much anywhere you want. You can rotate it. You can have it vertical, standing up if you wanted to. There's a slot right there for a micro SD card, so you can put as much micro SD as you want. I think it goes up to 64 gig. Also includes in the box, wow, a couple of warning stickers that you can put up on your window saying that it's protected by Arenti security camera. You get 2 of them per box. Very nice little packaging. Now, I did set this up, so I did put it up on my phone. It's very easy to actually put the app. I put my app on my iPhone, but obviously you can connect as well to an Android phone, and all you do is basically scan it up, run it, and hook it up to your Wi-Fi. Oh, it's multi-language too. Very interesting. You hook it up to your Wi-Fi, and it works pretty good. So let's take a look at some of the footage on my phone, and let's see how this thing is actually working and if it actually performs like it says at 1080 or not. So once you load up the app, all you have to do is just call up your app. It'll show you your camera, or multiple cameras if you have more than one, on the Arenti app. Click it. It'll load up your live image. Now, you just rotate your screen and you actually have a full screen view live of what's going on. And yes, it is 1080. You can move it around, you can expand, you can scan around and see reflection in the glass there of what's going on. But what's really nice is that this has a lot of features that you can configure yourself. So you can have alert notifications, you can share the device with other people if you want so more people can see it. You get your full device information with your network information. There's a very easy installation guide that tells you how to go about doing it. Basic functions, indicator for the network, privacy protection. You can actually turn off the lens or turn it on. You can even set a geo fence, which is kind of interesting for such an inexpensive product. You can flip the camera, night vision can be turned on or off, or it can be automatic. Recording management, you can record either to the cloud or you can record on your own little card. This also works with Amazon Echo and Google Home, so you can put any of those functionalities on there. Really a decent little camera for the price, and at the special offer, if you can get it for the special offer, it is even much better. So it's a great little bargain, and a lot of settings. You can store your images, you can see them. In fact, you can even do motion detection so that it'll detect if there's any motion in front of the camera and will alert you via email or text message if you want to. Great little product, highly recommended, definitely worth its price. And right now you notice I'm not even working off of my Wi-Fi. I'm actually just working off of live, which means I can get a message or a call from anywhere I am. I can see my cameras and see what's going on. Great deal. Worth it? Absolutely. Worth getting? Oh yeah.